Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to use surface feature. And today I will show you how to use fillet surface. And now let's start it. In this case I have part like this. And the middle part have a hole like this. If you want to patch the hole, you can use fillet surface. And now click fillet surface. Now you have a parameter. In parameter, just click the edge like this. See? And click OK. See? Now you know how to use fillet surface. Thanks for watching. See ya.